everyone. I hope you guys doing well. So this is a video number 4 regarding the planning stage. Remember in the last video I did about project charter, where I put the all things which mostly necessary to be put in the project charter, and that's called the initiating of the project. So today we are starting a planning stage. So several time I told you that this is the planning stage. What we do in the planning stage, the same project charter data, like everything we just take out and do it in detailed planning about every item in the project charter. Sorry. So in the planning stage, what we do to accomplish the project objective within budget and on schedule. That's what is the basic concept of planning. And how do we do planning? So we do activities. We divide the project in activities. We sequences and we provide the resources. Who will do it? How they will do it? And the duration of the project, and then we calculate the cost budget associated with the activities and the projects, and at the end we hand over the deliverable or project objective or whatever to the customer. In between we identify the risk. If it's come, then we will be prepared to avoid it or to give it to the third party, or so here what I did today is to that you guys understand clearly and easily. I put a line, straight line. It's a straight line. So the first one I put in the planning stage, number 1 is the project scope. All the work we have to do to achieve the objective. So what we do in this second stage is we divide the project in activities and we sequence it. Sorry. Like we call it work breakdown structure. So it's the second I put activities and sequence, and the third one I put resources. Who will do the each activity, and what material will be required, or what equipment will be necessary. So that's we put in each activity, and who will be responsible for each activity, like the project team. And then from this activity sequence and resources, putting all these things, we calculate the schedule, the duration, how much all these activities will take to get to the project done. So that's called the project duration. So in our project management language, it's called schedule, or the duration of the project. And from that schedule, we put number to each activity, and then we prepare the budget, how much it will cost, and risk associated with each activity and duration. So this is generally I put these 6 things, and then I put a bracket. So it's called a baseline plan of the project. In other words, later on when we are calculating the progress, so we call it plain progress, or plain what we have planned. And in the resources below I put the who will do it, and what material and the time duration it will be required to do the activities. So now in the next video I will do the work breakdown structure, that how the scope will be divided into certain activities, tasks, and then activities, and to assign the number and the resources. So that's, we call it work breakdown structure, and then the resources, and then the schedule. So what is at the end? So according to a baseline plan per project, according to requirement of the sponsor and customer, as in the project charter. So what we do in planning, so all these things, what we have decided with the sponsor or the customer, we do a detailed planning. So it's planning is necessary. when you do planning and then you start your project performing, so it's easy. It's easy. You can easily manage the progress. You can easily report the actual work done, progress and plan progress and earn value what you have done. So in the next video, the second stage scope you already know. The second one is the activities and sequence. That's called work breakdown structure. So in the next video, I will do the work breakdown structure. So I will do a simple project and I will divide all in the activities, and so that will be our work breakdown structure. So I hope this is a general idea of the planning stage of the project. So I repeat it again, like we do in plannings, scope of the project, activities and its sequence. We put resources, who will do it and what's material and equipment it will require. And then these activities, from these activities we calculate the duration of the project, we call it schedule, and the cost associated with this when we calculate, that is called budget, and risk is identified in the whole projects. So if it's happened, then we do properly manage it. So it's called a baseline plan of the project. I hope you guys got the idea. In the next video, see you. Thank you guys. Bye.